One of the biggest mistakes I find people making in self-defense situations is that as soon as the police show up, they just start talking to the officers and answering any and all questions. I mean, think about it. You were just in the middle of a self-defense situation, your emotions are running high, and what if you end up hesitating for a moment, or maybe you're confused by the question from the police officer? I want you to understand, the officer is going to be interpreting whatever you say, and he's going to interpret it negatively if it doesn't meet the officer's expectations. In fact, many times, if the officers show up and that individual remains quiet, they remained silent, even if the case were to go to trial later, many times they are found not guilty. Why? Because in a self-defense case, the government must prove beyond a reasonable doubt that what you did was not self-defense. They must actually prove a negative to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that you did not act in self-defense. In many self-defense cases, proving that you did not act reasonably and did not act in self-defense can be a very difficult thing for prosecutors to do, unless you open your mouth. And if you just start answering a bunch of questions, you're placing yourself under the microscope of scrutiny where people will judge you for every little thing you said and did not say.